Hello and welcome back. This is the last time that you're going to see my face, and I'm going to talk about clarification about the last project that we are facing, and which probably most of you are facing, which is the connection to the database, ability to store information into the table that create, and ability to connect and retrieve it using PHP. So what I will do in this session is I will not go over the MySQL. Instead, I will focus on the PHP, which I'm going to share with you, and you need to make sure that you have the right password, the right username, the right server name to your database. Everything came to you when you had your registration to the website. It provides you with all this information. So what is it will entail? So the first line is the PHP, and it's the server name. In this case, you need to provide the server name address, or the server name that that you set up to have. Otherwise, it will not recognize. Second thing, the name of the database. Example, in my example, I use the first underscore test as the name. You have to give it a name, otherwise it will not recognize. Third is the username. You have to have a username, otherwise it will not connect. And again, I made up this username. You can use whatever they gave you as your username. It's up to you to decide. You need to play with it in order for you to understand. I recommend that you use it, test it before you start asking or panicking, because again, it's part of the deal with dealing with a server that is not close to you, and you need to adjust yourself to it. And then the last issue that I had, the two students who approached me last night, is that the password for the database was different from the password that they used to log on to the system. So again, make sure that you have compliances with the username and password. Everything is straight. You have exactly what you have to do. Then the connection, this is where the connection makes, and then if it will connect, it will, the echo, which we learn about PHP, will give you indication that was able to connect. And then it will say if new records, in this case name, age, grade, which is part of my data set or my table. I have a name, I have age, and I have grade. And so in this case, I'm going to put Tom, age 20, grade A, and in this case, I will be able to see if the restore was able. And so the if in this condition, in this line, is saying new record was created, and I'm going to post that into my website. It will not work in your local drive. So you need to post it on the website and then test it. Otherwise, it will not work. So this is my small announcement. I'm going to post that with the video on my announcement. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to answer. I will be here until Friday, and then on Saturday, I'm gone. So please ask any questions. I will try my best to help you to overcome this. I know it's a challenge, and I know it's the end of the semester, but again, try your best. That's what I'm asking. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learn how to navigate your problems that you might have. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. Until next time, or until next semester, or if I will not see you, congratulations for graduate. So that's it. Have fun.